We do use the UV clear a lot here at the shop, but one thing I love, this is a matte print. One thing I love about doing matte is when this is matte, but this right here, the non-printed white surface always remains kind of that glossy sheen, and it feels different, it feels raised almost. I really do like the look of that. Our local high school is having a Vegas theme for prom this year. Is there symbolism in wiping the dust off of this thing?
All right.
I need some prints, please. Got that to install. Got some banners rolling that came in yesterday and already whipped them up. Got some yard signs rolling. Oh, and printed off some of these A-frame signs. Not our design, folks. All right, so this is a pretty cool little lineup sign for baseball. You can put the players' names and position on these little plaques and move these around. Our Rotary Club is celebrating its 100th anniversary on Thursday, and we're printing these booklets. It cuts the four top and bottom bleed are going to get cut off on the guillotine, but this is a super nice 58-page, actually 52-page, 80-pound gloss text. And you can see this is another sponsorship opportunity right here for us. Unfortunately, it likes to jam right here in the trimmer. So, I'm on the cusp of this being too large for this machine. So some of them are coming out stapled and square edged and all, and some are coming stapled with no fore trim, no square edge. I'm not gonna waste those. We're gonna deal with them somehow, but anyways. A third of them come out perfect. A third come out like that, not square edged and fore trimmed. And then 1/3 come out like this. Someone asked in my last video comments if the vinyl sign that we had done was a prestige. And indeed, it is prestige. So we have another one of these to install. Another cool little FPLA shirt. All right, when you have been running a huge roll like this of optically clear laminate, the amount of static is absolutely insane. So we have this stencil here, and all we do is rub it right through here in between a little bit, and then pull it off, and most of that static is gone. I have bent down to pick this up without doing that before, and leaned in and got hit right here in the jaw so hard, I swear I was punched in the face. It's crazy. All right, got some banner going. And some translucent vinyl. Love that stuff. Really not happy with the quality of the no curl banner, which had so much curl to it. But this is what I used to use. Sill Value Line Economy Grayback banner. This stuff is great. When we print yard signs, they're printed 18 by 24. We get 10 out of one sheet. All right, here we have these brochures that we are printing 2 up on 12 by 18 80-pound gloss text paper. So I'll show you what we're using here. It's this Lindenmeyer Monroe 80-pound gloss text. It's 118 GSM. What we'll do with this is we will chop those on the guillotine, and then we'll bring them over to the folding machine, MBM 508A automatic folder, to do the tri-folding. Sign looks pretty cool. Intracoastal Angler, Saltwater Outfitters in Whiteville Beach, North Carolina. I printed this sign and forgot to clean my hand grease off of it before printing it, so there were hand marks all over it, so I kind of wiped it down severely. But now, instead of doing it on new board, I'm laying down layers and layers of white ink, 48 passes worth, and then it comes behind and lays the print down on top of that. There were a lot of hand marks up on the top there, but right now, can't even tell. I got here Jungle Kitty. Getting a little frisky, cat.